Your brain doesn't become weak overnight. It happens one habit at a time. The worst part? Most of these habits feel completely normal. Here are 3 that may be silently making you less mentally sharp. Number 3. Constantly consuming short-form content. The first habit destroying your intellect is constantly consuming short-form content. Spending just a few innocent minutes on social media quickly snowballs into an hour because every single swipe delivers something completely unpredictable. A quick laugh, a shocking headline, or a random life hack. This chaotic stream forces your brain to adapt to rapid, effortless bursts of stimulation and instant dopamine. As a result, critical activities that require patience and deep concentration, like reading a book, studying, or mastering a complex skill, begin to feel incredibly boring and painful. You haven't lost your intelligence. You have simply trained your mind to expect entertainment every few seconds, making sustained attention and complex problem-solving almost impossible. Number 2. Treating sleep like it's optional. The second dangerous habit is treating sleep as if it's an optional luxury. In a world that glorifies the midnight hustle, many people actively sacrifice their rest to get more done, but their mental performance pays a devastating price for it. While you are sleeping, your brain isn't shut down. It is running a vital maintenance cycle, actively processing information, organizing daily memories, and clearing out cellular waste. When you consistently cheat your sleep, your cognitive processing becomes significantly slower, making it harder to recall details, maintain focus, or make rational decisions. Top performers ruthlessly protect their sleep schedule because they understand that high intellect depends entirely on proper neural recovery. Number 3. Constantly switching tasks. The third habit is constantly switching tasks, which creates a dangerous illusion of productivity. Checking your messages while working, watching videos while studying, or jumping between multiple browser tabs every few minutes might make you feel busy, but in reality, you are forcing your brain to repeatedly shift its focus back and forth. Each switch comes with a high cognitive cost, draining your mental energy just to refocus. The more often you interrupt yourself, the harder it becomes to enter a state of deep concentration, the exact state where real learning, deep creativity, and breakthrough problem-solving happen. People who can focus deeply on one single task for long periods have a massive advantage because they allow their brains to work without constant interruption. Conclusion. If you want a sharper, more powerful mind, stop just looking for quick hacks to become smarter. Start by removing the friction and cutting out the habits that are making your brain weaker. Cut back on the endless scrolling, prioritize your sleep, and give your absolute, undivided attention to one task at a time.